Hello YouTube and welcome. In this video I would like to do with you the unboxing of this booster from the set Theros Beyond Death. So let's see what we can get in this one. And starts with Indomitable Will, 2 drops, he has flash. Enchanted creature gets +1/+2. Green Physician, 1 drop. When it dies, target creature and opponent control gets -1/-1 until the end of the turn, and it is a 1/1. Knight of the Hidden Coves, 3 drops. As long as it isn't your turn, spells you cost 1 less to cast, and it is a 2/3. Stampede Rider, 3 drops. He has trample. At the beginning of each combat, if you control a creature with power 4 or greater, Stampede Rider gets +1/+1 until the end of the turn, and it is a 2/3. Reed of the Mountain's Blaze, 2 drops. For 3, discard a card, draw a card, and it is a 1/3. Loathsome Chimera, 3 drops. He has an escape cost of 5. Loathsome Chimera escapes with a +1/+1 counter on it, and it is a 4/1. Hero of the Pride, 2 drops. Whenever you cast a spell that targets Hero of the Pride, creatures you control gets +1/+0 until the end of the turn, and it is a 2/2. Scavenging Harpy, 3 drops. He has flying. When enters the battlefield, exile target card from an opponent's graveyard, and it is a 2/1. Eliting Structure, 3 drops. When enters the battlefield, draw a card and discard a card, and it is a 2/2. Omen of the Forge, 2 drops. He has flash. When enters the battlefield, it deals 2 damage to any target. For 3, sacrifice Omen of the Forge, scry 2. Our first uncommon, Slaughter Priest of Mogis, 2 drops. Whenever sacrifice a permanent, Slaughter Priest of Mogis gets +2/+0 until the end of the turn, and for 2, sacrifice another creature or an enchantment. Slaughter Priest of Mogis gains first strike until the end of the turn, and it is a 2/2. Destiny's Spinner, 2 drops. Creatures and enchantment spells you control can be countered. For 4, target land you control becomes an XX elemental creature with trample and haste until the end of the turn, where X is the number of enchantments you control. Is still a land, and it is a 2/3. Thundering Chariot, 4 drops. He has first strike, trample, and haste, and he has a crew cost of 1, and it is a 3/3. Interesting. A rare. Nylia's Intervention, an X and 2 forests. Choose 1, search your library up to X land cards, reveal them, put them in your hand and shuffle the library. Or Nylia's Intervention deals twice X damage to each creature with flying. Very interesting card, this one. And we have a mountain. And finally we get a goat token creature, a 0/1. So this is what I have to share with you. I hope you like it, you enjoy it. Until the next time, see you.